So as we discussed in the Google Colab, in order to open the Google Colab in Google, you have to search for the Google Colab. Website is colab.research.google.com. Click over there. So this type of window will appear there. Okay, it will give the different options, examples, recent means if we worked previously as well on the Google Colab to make some notebooks, so it will show the list of that notebooks which are already there in our Google Drive. Then Google Drive link is there, because in Google Colab, as we know, we have to log in with the Gmail account, and related to that we have one Google Drive. In that drive, whatever the files saved by you, it will also show all of them. Okay, so I will click on recent. Now I want to discuss the file handling, so I will directly open that notebook. So it is redirected to new window, that is opening that notebook. Okay, so what is notebook? Notebook means whatever we are writing. Okay, whatever statements we are writing, whatever cells we are running, whatever output we are getting, it is saved in one notebook. That notebook we can download, that already shared with you. Click on file, then click on download. So two options are there, both are Python extensions. So I choose the first, download.ipynb. It is extension for Python notebook. So in this way we can download and again use for the further study. So now I am going to discuss about file handling. Okay, what is file handling here? First, I am discussing about how to open a file. Okay, read a file and print its content line by line. First, we have to read a file. Okay, and then we will print its content line by line. So I have three examples here. So in the example one, okay, we are starting from here. So first FP. What is FP? FP is a variable. FP is a variable, okay, by which we are opening the file. Then open. Open is a keyword which is used to open the file in the read mode. Then in brackets with one upper comma, text data dot txt. What is this? It is the name of the file. Text data dot txt. It is a name of file that we are going to open in Google Colab. Then after this, I am using the for condition, for line in FP, then colon. Okay, colon is compulsory to use in the end. It is part of syntax. So this line is used to print line by line. Okay, so what it will print? It will print the data which is in the file FP, because we are opening the text data file with the variable FP. Whatever present here, it will be printed line by line. Why? How it is printed line by line? Because we are using the statement print. Okay, in the arithmetic operators, in the bitwise operators, in different operators, when we want to print something, we use the keyword print. In brackets, I am using the line. What is line? That is declared as variable in the for condition. We are printing lines. Then fp dot close. Here we are closing the file. Fp dot close, we are closing the file. What is the file? Fp. Okay. So accept is there, that is used to handle the error. If there is an error, so what will be printed? Print error, no such file exists. Okay, so that error will be printed if some error happens. So it is one example to open the file and open it in read mode and paste it its content line by line. Okay, print its content line by line. It is first method. Now second method, it is the second method with open. These are the keywords with open. Then but we are opening text data.txt. We are opening this text file, comma R. This R is important. Okay, it declares the mode. R means we are opening in the reading mode. Okay, but is R is the reading mode. Okay, please note it down, it is very important. If we are going to writing in the file, then we have to use the W, means writing. Now we are opening and reading the data, so we are writing R as F. So F is the variable that we are using. Okay, then what is line? Line is F dot read. We are reading in the F, and then again we are printing line by line the same statement. Then accept error handling. If there is an error, so what will be printed? Error, no such file exists. So it is second method to open the text file in the Google Colab. Now in third example, what I am giving here with the name file name 1, it is a variable. I am assigning a path E colon cu oblique disruptive technologies 1 task 1. So what is this? It is basically a path. Okay, it is path for finding this file text data.txt. Okay, it is a path to finding this file, and it is a path. It is basically a location in the desktop or laptop, whatever we are using. Okay, where our file exists. Then again with open file name 1, it is file name 1. Why it is file name 1? Because we are opening with this file name 1. That is why we are declaring it here. Then R reading mode as F. Then again same line is equal to F dot read. The same statements. Then again we are printing line by line. If there is an error, so we will print error, no such file exists. Okay, so these are three methods to open the file in the Google Colab. IDA is equal to sign or minus sign is for commands. Yes, hash sign is used always for the commands. Yes, so these are three methods. Okay, so let me run this. So it is the first method. Run this cell. After 4 or 5 seconds, it will show the output. Either it will open the data line by line, it will print the data line by line, or it will show error, no such file exists. Now it is giving the error that no such file exists. Now let's try for second. In the second example as well, error, no such file exists. For the third example as well, it is showing the error, no such file exists. So why it is so? Because the file we are assigning the name text data.txt. Okay, it is not present in our Google Colab. In the second as well, text data.txt, it is not present in the Google Colab. So that is why it is showing error, no such file exists. Okay, so what we have to do for that, we have to import the file in the Google Colab because we are reading some file. So in order to upload any file in Google Colab, in the left one box is there, that is the files. So click on this option. Then in the first row we have the upload option, upload to session storage. So click over there. So it will ask a location from where you want to assign the file. So I will allocate that file. It is any simple text file. So here is one message reminder: upload files will get deleted when this runtime is recycled. So what does it mean? It means the files will be available till we are working on the notebook. If you close the notebook, okay, then these files will not be available. Every time we have to upload the files. Okay, now it is working well. And what is the output? Output is there are three lines. Welcome to natural language processing. It is one of the most existing research areas as of today. We will see how Python can be used to work with text files. So basic thing is that it is printing line by line. So three lines are there which are printed here line by line. So similarly now we are going to check with the second example. Okay, so similar here, it is printing the file data line by line. Now let's try for the third option, third example. Still it is giving the error, no such file exists. Okay, so students, third example is an example where we are giving the location in the hard drive. Google Colab cannot use your hard drive. Okay, so example 3 will work only when you install the software in your laptop or desktop. Okay, only then it can allocate your hard drive and it can access data, text file, image, whatever it is there from your hard drive, from your assigned location. Okay, on Google Colab it will not work because it is online mode. So from online mode it cannot access your hard drive. So only first and second example will work in this case, and they are working well. We are getting the data as per the text file. If you interested, I will open that text file as well. So you can see here three lines are here which are same printed by the program. Now after this, I want to take your more 5 minutes. Okay. So we have three examples how to open the file in the Google Colab. How to print that data line by line. It is one task. Now second is, now we want to write something in that file. Okay. First I opened the file and there the keyword was R for the reading mode, and here we are using the W for writing mode because now we are writing something. So for that, again I am declaring the FP variable or file, and I am opening the text data.txt. It is a text file, but now here it is in the writing mode. W is there. Okay, and to write again I am using the for loop. For I is the variable in range 1 to 11, then colon. Okay, I am declaring the range 1 to 11 and using the variable name I. Then this command is very important. It is used to write the data, writing to the file line by line. It will write line by line. fp.write. Okay, fp is the file name that we declared in the first statement here. fp.write brackets stri. Okay, it is plus oblique n. Okay, the complete statement is used to write the file line by line for this variable fp. Then we have to close the file, that is fp.close. It is used to close the file. Okay, so what you will print? if everything goes well, writing done, open result.txt to view the content. Okay, that message will be printed when we run the cell if it works well. Now, this example is used to write the data in the file, that is text data. Okay, now I want to open the result file that is created. Okay, so again with open, I want to open the result.txt result file. I will show you how it will be generated. The Google Colab generate the result.txt by itself. Okay, we imported the text.data from our hard drive, but result.txt will be generated by itself from the Google Colab. Why it will generate? Because we are writing data in the text data. Okay, and it will generate the result.txt another text file in response to writing process. Okay, so I will run this code for you to show you. First, we will run the first example. So this program is well, no issue. Writing done, open result.txt to view the content. Now I want to open the result file. Writing done. So now in the left hand you can see result file is not there. Okay, sample data is there, text data is there, both are imported. The result file is not there. So I will refresh Google Colab. Okay, so sometimes due to network issues it will take time, so directly I am refreshing it, so I will be able to see the result file. Yes, so the result file is here. Now you can see initially it was text data which were imported by us. Now result file is created by itself. Okay, so if I open that file, so you have the line by line content here, 1 to 10. Okay, it is a result file that is generated by the Google Colab in response of writing process done on the text data. Now, if you open the text data file as well, content changed. Okay, initially what were the contents? Because we have the previously run cells, it was the content in the text data file. 3 lines were there. Okay, but now what is there? Open that file. Now there is 1 to 10 in 10 different lines. Okay, as we done the writing in the file, in the text data file, we write some data in the text data file. So here you can see the data is changed. Okay, initially the data was 3 lines, 3 some text material was there, but now it is changed to number for 10 lines. So it is the second example. First, we did 3 different methods to open the file in the Google Colab. Then we did to write data in that file. Okay. So first is to open, then second is to write. Okay. Then we have many other statements as well. We will discuss afterwards.